Hello, this is Simon Klein from TradeSmart on the 24th of March 2019. Welcome to this week's episode of Where is the Dollar Going Next? Now it's very important that you listen all the way through to the end because there's a very important message at the end of our analysis here. And as usual, what you see before you is the dollar index on the daily chart wound back to the end of the previous week. We said last week that if the dollar was able to go below the bottom of this bar here, it's likely to continue moving to the downside. So let's take a look at how the market played out last week. On Monday, the market moved to the downside, going below the bottom of this bar, and as we said at the beginning, likely to continue moving to the downside. On Tuesday, the market continued to move to the downside. And on Wednesday, the market had a big move down, going below the bottom of these bars over here, but not closing below them, and landing into this demand area below. On Thursday, the market bounced straight back up. And on Friday, the market continued to move higher until it reached this supply level above and then sold off, closing the week over here. So the question is this: what are the odds of where the dollar is likely to go next this week? If the dollar is able to go above and close above this supply level above, it's likely to continue moving to the upside. If on the other hand the market turns to the downside here, then it may very well continue moving to the downside so long as it's able to go below and close below this zone over here. So let's take a look at the larger time frames. If we take a look at the weekly chart, you can see that we've actually broken the weekly uptrend now, meaning that a move up may very well be sold off. But we did land in demand over here. So if we're able to move above and close above the highs here, then it's likely the dollar will continue moving to the upside. If on the other hand, the dollar was able to go below and close below the lows over here, this demand zone, then it's likely the dollar will continue moving to the downside. And if we take a look at the monthly chart, you can see the month is not over yet. We've still got this week. So we're still looking for this market to make a higher high. It has not done this yet. If it's not able to do this, then the odds increase on a maybe choppy sideways market, but we could end up putting in a lower high here, and that may increase the odds of a move to the downside. And especially since we've now broken the uptrend on the weekly chart. So these are the odds of where the dollar is likely to go next this week. Now, as I said at the beginning of this video, things may be changing very shortly. This may be the last Where is the Dollar Going Next video. We've been doing this series for over 2 years now, every week on Sunday. It's been super accurate and it's changed the lives of quite a number of people who have learned how to read the market professionally, applied the lessons learned in these videos to their own trading, and achieved success and consistent profitability. What I'd like to do is hear from you. I'd like to write comments in the chat area below, whether you're watching on my YouTube channel or my blog, on how this series, Where is the Dollar Going Next, has helped you with your trading. And I'd also like to hear from you what you would like me to do a weekly video on next. What would you like me to cover? So leave a comment in the chat area below and I'll look at all your comments and we'll come up with what we're going to do next on a weekly basis. That's all for now. This is Simon Klein from TradeSmart. If you like this video, hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe at the end. Wishing you the best of luck with your trading this week.